This video will cover the top 10 lessons that I've learned about personal finance that have had a significant impact on my life. Because of these nuggets of wisdom, I have been able to lead a life that is more satisfying and to achieve professional and financial success. I pray that they inspire you and put you on the path for achieving financial independence so that you can live the life you've always dreamed of living. First, being financially independent and then achieving financial peace. 1. Trying to impress people is expensive. In my early years as an adult, I spent money on excessively expensive meals, designer apparel, and brand new automobiles that I believed would make others take notice of me. On the other hand, the sad reality is that producing an impression on other people is not only costly but also unsatisfying. After I realized that I did not need the approval of other people, I started putting more money away in savings and directing more of my attention toward attaining my financial goals and the accumulation of wealth. The size of your home or the vehicle you drive is not something that the majority of people place a great deal of importance on. There are a small number of people who do appear to be envious. Choose to make an impact on yourself based on your net worth rather than on others based on the things that you own. 2. Genuine millionaires can make prudent acquisitions. The realization that the majority of actual billionaires live humble lifestyles, frequently driving used automobiles and residing in residences that are not particularly large, was a revelation that opened my eyes considerably. Because they had a thrifty mentality, they were able to amass wealth by placing their money in savings and investments rather than squandering it on extravagant consumption. I have been able to improve my wealth and make more informed choices regarding my finances as a result of having this mindset. 3. Emergency fund. A fundamental component of financial readiness is setting up an emergency fund, which provides a vital safety net in case of unforeseen events. This account, which usually consists of 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenditures, acts as a safety net against unanticipated costs like big repairs, medical problems, or job loss. Setting up an emergency fund as a top priority helps people avoid having to liquidate investments or take out high-interest loans during difficult times, protecting both their financial security and peace of mind. Additionally, having an emergency fund gives one a sense of empowerment and control and gives them confidence to face life's challenges head-on and with fortitude. An emergency fund, which is a fundamental component of personal finance, is a proactive approach to financial planning that guarantees preparedness for any obstacles that may come up. 4. Invest early and consistently. Early and regular investing is a very effective technique that can have a major positive financial impact over time. People can leverage the power of compounding returns and watch their investments grow exponentially over time by starting to invest as soon as feasible. Whether it's a set sum or a percentage, investing a portion of income on a monthly basis fosters discipline and guarantees regular contributions to investment accounts. By using dollar-cost averaging, this strategy not only extends the period of time that investments might increase, but it also mitigates market swings. Additionally, making early and regular investments establishes a route to financial security and independence and fosters the habit of giving long-term financial goals priority. Through investing vehicles such as 401(k) IRAs or retirement accounts, this approach enables people to reach their financial goals and gradually accumulate wealth. 5. Debt management. Good debt management is essential to good financial health since it helps people become stable and financially independent. It entails planning, comprehending, and strategically repaying debts in order to reduce interest expenses and expedite repayment. Prioritizing early repayment of high-interest bills, such credit card balances, while making minimum payments on other debts is an essential part of managing debt. Furthermore, people might look into refinancing or debt consolidation as ways to cut interest rates and streamline repayment. A realistic repayment plan and careful budgeting can help people stay on track with their debt reduction objectives and prevent taking on new debt. 6. Diversification. A key component of investment strategy that helps reduce risk and optimize returns over time is diversification. One way for individuals to lessen the impact of the performance of any one investment on their whole portfolio is to spread their investments across several industries, asset classes, and geographic locations. In addition to mitigating volatility, diversification makes guarantee that any losses in one area can be balanced out by profits in other areas. By avoiding downside risk and maximizing upside potential, this technique helps investors increase the stability and robustness of their investment portfolio. Through a combination of bonds, stocks, properties, and other investments, diversification helps people build a well-rounded, balanced portfolio that fits their financial objectives and risk tolerance. 7. Financial education. The core of successful personal finance management is financial literacy, which enables people to manage their money sensibly and lay a strong financial base for the future. People may take charge of their financial lives and work toward their goals by learning about important financial concepts, including debt management, investing, saving, and budgeting. People who receive financial education are better able to prepare for long-term financial stability, comprehend financial products and services, and handle difficult financial problems. Additionally, it fosters resilience and confidence in people, empowering them to adjust to shifting economic circumstances and make wise financial decisions along with their priorities and values. 8. Delayed gratification. A strong mentality change that can have a significant positive impact on one's financial situation and level of contentment with life in general is delayed gratification. It entails putting off the desire for short-term gains in favor of long-term gains and giving future objectives precedence over immediate satisfaction. People who practice delayed gratification develop resilience, patience, and self-control, all of which are necessary for success in a variety of spheres of life, including personal finance. People who practice delayed gratification are prepared to give up instant gratification in order to pursue bigger and more substantial rewards in the road, as opposed to giving in to impulsive purchases or transient indulgences. With this kind of thinking, people are able to deliberately choose how they spend their money, concentrating on investments and activities that help them achieve their long-term objectives. 9. Set specific goals. A crucial first step in reaching financial success and fulfilling one's objectives is setting clear financial goals. Instead of aiming generally for something like financial stability or retirement, developing specific goals entails establishing quantifiable, precise targets that are customized to an individual's particular circumstances and ambitions. Setting and achieving specific goals gives direction, drive, and focus, whether the goal is paying off student debts, saving for a down payment on a home, or creating a retirement nest egg. People can make practical plans, assess progress over time, and break down larger objectives into manageable milestones by creating precise goals. Furthermore, having well-defined objectives aids people in setting priorities and choosing wisely how to spend their time, money, and energy in order to reach their intended results. In the end, establishing clear financial objectives gives people the capacity to take charge of their financial destiny and realize their aspirations. 10. Seeking professional advice. To achieve financial success and confidently navigate difficult financial decisions, it is prudent to seek competent financial counsel. Financial professionals have knowledge and experience in many aspects of personal finance, such as investing, retirement planning, tax strategies, and estate planning. Examples of these experts are certified financial planners and financial advisors. People can receive individualized advice based on their unique financial objectives, risk tolerance, and life circumstances by speaking with a specialist. Financial advisors can assist people in creating thorough financial plans, spotting optimization opportunities, and reducing risks in order to secure their financial future. Additionally, financial experts may offer insightful advice, instruction, and support, enabling people to efficiently manage their finances and make well-informed decisions. A person can achieve financial ambitions with clarity and peace of mind by consulting a professional for assistance on retirement planning, investment management, and tax optimization. Ready to take your financial journey to the next level? Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. See you later.